What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, it's going to be short and sweet. I just did a couple drive-bys of the Elantra N, had my wife stand out there. She was a trooper. And basically I just did some quick drive-bys, nothing crazy, just 35 miles an hour about. I just wanted to do this to, well, I was curious to see how the car sounded from the outside. And for those that are thinking about the Elantra or were curious what it sounds like from the outside, just cruising by, this gives you a pretty good idea. Again, I didn't do anything crazy. There's lots of videos out there of the Elantra flying by and cracks and pops and all that stuff, but I just wanted to give a very general, like I said, you see a Elantra N cruising by in your neighborhood or down the street, this is what it's gonna sound like.